Hi, friends. Good evening, everyone. Let me first congratulate all of you people to. So let me first congratulate everyone to choosing 360DigiTMG for upskilling yourself. This program that we are talking about is basically for those people who have already learned data science or data analytics in your previous, it could be academics or as part of your professional training or as part of your job. If you've already skilled with these data science and data analytics capabilities, but if you're not able to crack the interviews, then this is the program that you might want to choose. 360DigiTMG in collaboration with Innodatatics, we are bringing up the internship project, which is absolutely free. Right? You don't have to pay anything. It's absolutely free. The only condition for this particular program is that you should be familiar with the data science concepts. You should be familiar with Python programming concepts. We will have, of course, the initial period of certain grooming sessions. This is to ensure that we revise things, and post that we will have project where your energies would be completely focused on deployment. And we will be assigning you a specific resource who is expert in the area of MLOps. And you would be working under the guidance of these experts. So this is the overview of the agenda that we are going to discuss now. Now let me introduce myself. My name is Sharath, and I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics. So this is my profile. I have more than 17 plus years of experience in the stream of various projects and various industries. We cater to a lot of data science, machine learning, deep learning, machine learning operations related projects. We work for the clients like Volvo. Then we have various customers with the life sciences healthcare domain. We have manufacturing domain. Then we have beverages company, manufacturing companies for which we are working on streamlining their processes using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. We have a lot of our students getting placed because of their exposure to these projects. I would like you to take to the website, 360DigiTMG website. And here, if you scroll down, this is the main page. If you scroll down, you have, it's a learning, lazy learner. It basically loads slowly. This is our career transition page. You will have to click on this to read our success stories. We have a lot of our alumni working in big companies. HCL, for example, we have Novartis, we have Mercedes-Benz, right? We talk about various other big companies, the big four companies, in fact. You can download this particular PDF file, which gets updated on a regular basis. And here you can, in fact, look at the complete details of all our alumni. Right? We have people working in Capgemini. Then we have HCL, Cognizant, right? We have InnoMinds. We have Deloitte, PwC, Novartis, Accenture. So you can see all the big companies here, and all of these are our alumni who have worked extensively on these kind of projects that you are also getting exposed to. I know a lot of people say that, hey, we have completed our training in academics or some other professional trainings. Absolutely. But have you also learned about what would be the scenario after you built your machine learning models? Now, as part of this project, you will be learning the deployment and post-deployment related steps. And not just theoretically, but you will be working on implementing those projects, right? Now, let me talk about a simple use case. This is one of the projects that we have recently accomplished. We are trying to use deep learning algorithms to monitor the health of birds. Using the thermal camera, we will be also trying to capture the body temperature. And we have used the technologies like AWS. Then we also have used tools which automatically monitor the particular application to ensure that the model is working to the consistent level. We have also worked for various customers, as I mentioned, which I would not be disclosing the customer details, but this particular customer for whom we have worked on, actually, we streamlined their process of manufacturing using IIoT sensors. So we are talking about live streaming data processing. All right. So these are basically some of the projects, friends, that you will be working on. Now, as I said, you would get exposed to these kind of projects. The total duration of this particular project would be 30 days. And here we will be looking into the model deployment strategies. All you have to do is go through certain training material that will be shared with you. We will have 3 specific training material on a daily basis that we will be sharing with you. You will have to go through those training materials. 6 a.m. you will have in the morning. 1 training material will be shared. Then we will have afternoon, 12 p.m. Then we have 6 p.m. another video that will be shared with you. Once you are going through this material, in the evening, you will have a quiz. There will be questions posted in LinkedIn. You will have to subscribe to the LinkedIn channel to basically get these questions. And you'll have to answer these questions in comments. You'll also get very interesting material in the LinkedIn page, which basically will help you to enhance your skills. So subscribe to the LinkedIn channel. And the material that we will be posting will be from our YouTube channel. So let me also take you through the YouTube channel here. This is our 360DigiTMG channel. You'll have to subscribe so that you get all the latest of the information that is getting shared. Not just that, we regularly conduct the success stories from, basically we connect with all our alumni on regular basis, and they share their experiences. Regularly, these things happen. Yesterday, we had Sarada Prasad joining us, who's working right now on Sutherland. We have Vaibhav, who joined 2 days back is working on Infosys. We have Ayush, who's working in Capgemini. HCL Technologies, we have Mr. Raj. So on and so forth. We have all our alumni people who have alumni who have basically got placed, right? We will be sharing, we will have discussion, open heart discussions with them. So to get their insights and their secrets on how they were able to crack the interviews, what are the various things that they prepared, etc. All that information would be readily available here. And in order to learn all this, subscription is mandatory. So you subscribe this particular channel to get all these additional benefits. The next thing is the LinkedIn, because on the LinkedIn page, we will be posting a lot of questions. Let me try to show you that. Yes, loading. It's slowly loading. But anyways, you can see a lot of such interesting information that you will be learning, OpenAI related content, right? All these things will be something that you will get benefit. You can see this is the kind of questions that you will be getting, friends. All you have to do is click on the comment and share your responses. On a daily basis, you will have to do it. And for that, of course, you again have to subscribe to 360DigiTMG page on LinkedIn. Now, once this training duration is done, we will have the next 10 days rigorously working on the project. As I mentioned, you will have an industry expert, MLOps expert, who has rich experience working on deploying the projects. And that skill would be passed on to you people as part of this engagement. On a daily basis, we will have meeting, Monday to Friday. Stand-up meetings will be there, and we will be discussing about 3 things. What was done on that particular day, what you must do the next day, and did you face any challenges or risks while accomplishing these tasks? Only these 3 things that we will be discussing in our stand-up meetings. And post the project, you'll also be given a certificate, right? Upon completing your project successfully, you'll be given the certificate. And this is a completely free program, friends. Certificate is also free. We are not charging any penny here. So you can register, and the only thing that you'll have to showcase is a proof that you have already learned the concepts of data science and machine learning related concepts. If you are very new to this industry, if you are very new to data science concepts, then you have to join another internship program where people will start from scratch. This particular program is specifically for people who are already familiar with the concepts. So we will be jumping into the advanced things. We'll not start from scratch. So if you feel that you have to learn things, then please register for the other project. On the YouTube channel, you can see the details. Our team will be posting those details there. All right, now let me take up questions. If you have any questions, you can post your questions on the chat window. I'll be happy to address your questions. Okay, Okay, wonderful. So I see no questions. Very good. So just to give you an overview, friends. Okay, I have a question here. Let me address the question. All classes will be held on YouTube. These material that we are talking about are basically the links of YouTube videos that we have recorded for you people. You better subscribe to 360DigiTMG channel, and those videos will be there already, and additional content will also be there. We will specifically give you the link that you should prepare on that particular day. 3 videos will be given, and you will have to prepare on those 3 videos, and there will be a progress in your learning when you have the structural approach. Right? Yes. The meetings, of course, will happen like this. Once the meeting starts, we will be discussing more about it. When we go to that particular stage, we'll be discussing in detail. This particular group will be starting their journey from tomorrow, right? 2nd August. The prerequisites, as I mentioned, is the only condition that you'll have to follow, that you have to give us a proof that you are already completed. You have already completed your training with respect to the data science or machine learning concepts. As I mentioned, we will be doing the deployment related work. So if you don't have that skill of developing the model, there is no point in deploying it, right? You'll not be able to do it. So prerequisite is that you need to complete your training from anywhere. It could be your academics also, in your engineering or in any other academics that you're going through right now. You can also share that proof. Proof is nothing but some kind of a screenshot of your certificate, or if you invoice, or your course content, something on those lines. I've already mentioned it is completely free. It is also written on the screen. Please read this. It's completely free. Do you show the deployments in Azure? Not really. We will be starting the deployment on our local machines to start. This is a free program. So it's basically to teach the skills of how the deployments happen and how post-deployment you do monitoring and maintenance of your models. Cloud platforms will not be able to take up in this particular program. Any opportunity? Yes, absolutely. We are open if you are exceptional in your work. We will basically help you with your resume preparation, and we will also conduct mock interviews, provided you have to complete your project that is assigned to you. Tomorrow it is going to start. You need to know machine learning concepts, right? That there's nothing like advanced machine learning concepts. It's basically machine learning, right? We will not be taking up cloud platforms. We will be doing the deployment. The art of deployment that you will be learning to start with is on your local machines only. I'm going through the module building videos right now. Will it be fine to join the internships? Any gap between these 2 topics? Not exactly. We want you to have that knowledge of model building only. To enroll, we will be sharing the link in the chat below. You can click on the link and join the group. But you need to show the proof that you have already learned this concept or you are familiar with these concepts. Some proof you have to showcase. This is a free program, friends. If you're already attending another internship program, then you cannot enroll here. For one person, it is limited with one project only, one internship program only. So if you're already taking up another program, then I would recommend you stick to that. That's okay. See, you're pursuing, right? So you basically probably have some kind of a proof where you might have the course content, or you might show your ID card. That should be good enough. You will be given a Google form where you will be filling up your details along with this screenshot, right? That would be your proof. The details will be posted in the chat window, friends, in the YouTube chat. There will be a link. You can click on the link, and then you'll get all the details once you enroll into the program. You will have to click on Google form. We will be giving a Google form. Once you click on it, it will ask your basic details. And along with that, you will have to upload an image, a screenshot, or your certificate or something which proves that you already have the skill of data science and machine learning concepts. Any other questions, friends? All right. So we will conclude here. I wish all the best for all the people who have enrolled here. Good luck with your progress. And I'll see you in the actual project meet. Looking forward to interact with you all. Thank you, everyone, friends, and